In this lab, we are going to be discussing about this phishing with Clickmas. It's day 2 of Advent of Cyber, so we are going to start off with the introduction part. I've already started off our machine. It's running on IP address 10.82.165.66. For this lab, I'm still going to be using the OVPN. I'm not going to be using the attack box. So let's get started. So I've already connected the OVPN. It's working. Let's confirm if it really works. I'm going to ping this. Ping. Let me magnify this. And the ping requests, we have replies, so we clarify we have it well connected. So I have successfully started the attack box and target machine. Check. The next one, we go to task 2. All this part, it's the theory part, but the most important part is we need to have this connection. There's a task file that is not yet loaded there, but yeah, let's load it up. We should download the task file. Perfect, it's this one. So we download the task file. adventofcyber 2025, perfect. It's a zip file configuration. So let's here you can see the zip file. So you unzip. We now have the two files. Remember, we were told to make sure they're in the same. To make sure they keep both files in the same directory. So how do you run this server.py? Just do this. It's actually working. So this is what is going to give us some connection. It's going to give us the logs from the specific server of what you're going to be social engineering. So we start off with the search toolkit. We open another tab. We don't have to close this. You actually have to leave it running. Open another tab, then sudo search toolkit. You have to enter your password. I'm going to magnify that so that you can see. The first one, you have to enter one, social engineering attacks. Then mass email finders, that's option 5. Then we're going to attack a single email address. So we're not going to do so much email address, just one. It's option 1 again. So for this one, since we're going to be crafting everything by ourselves, we're not going to be using predefined. We're going to use one-time use email template. So 2, option 2, subject of the email, we are given the specifics. You can see here, subject of the email. In the subject, you need to think of something convincing. Example, shipping schedule changes. So I'm going to use urgent. Let's schedule changes. Next, you are asked send the email. Send the message as HTML or plain. Just go with plain. So enter the body of the message. Type N, capitals, and finished. So I'm going to start off with hello and due to unavoidable circumstances, I'm going to use some multiple lines, so at least it looks legitimate, just not just one line. So remember this, it's crafted, you can craft it however you want it. It's just a matter of making it seem legit, making it look legitimate. Please check the reviewed dates to be updated, and let's see, please get back to me or confirm me by the closure, the end of business, end of day. Next line, updates, or let's do the reviews. Check the reviews here. So one thing you need to notice, you have to do a very good configurations. Now for this, we're going to have to put our IP address. Since we are running on OVPN, OpenVPN configuration, I have to run IP address show 0. So why are we doing this? We have to use the specific IP address that's connecting our machine to the OVPN, not the tryhackme server. We can't just use any other IP address, otherwise it will fail. So this is the IP address you need. Unless if you don't want to do this command IP, let me magnify that. If you don't want to use this command, you can just use ifconfig, then choose the specific IP address for the adapter you need to use, specifically the adapter that's connecting you to the tryhackme server. So we are going to use this IP address. So I have to craft this very well, HTTP. Then we're going to use port 8000. Then since I'm done with that, then we type end. Then we have to send email to. So this was given in the description. Send email to factory. Copy that to avoid any mistakes, because a simple mistake will lead to us not getting the correct logs. So use your own server, since we have a server that you are running. So we set to from address. We're given from address this. So from address here, we're given this. Sorry. Actually, I copied the wrong way. As if it wasn't from the terminal. So updates exactly. Name, we have the name. Flying beer. Username for open relay, whatever you can leave it just like that. Then password also. SMT email address, we are given this. SMTP even email address. Let's copy this email address you have. Post number 25 still, the default one. Flag for this message. No. No. Attach file, no. Inland, no. Give it a minute. So we are told set has finished sending emails. So press enter to continue. So it's a matter of us waiting on this server. You give it 1, 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops. So, and wait till you get some connection. So yeah, it gets our connection. This is our connection. You can see the suspect access that page. Get it to 200. Sorry for that. That's mistake. The victim accessed the page. Then they entered this is a submit form. They entered username, admin, and password, and ranked to its anthem, and they submitted it, and they got to a good page. So this is exactly the password you need. So you have to copy this paste it here. That's good. So this next step, we are supposed to visit this site. You are told to access the mailbox of factory user. So factory user to see if the previously harvested and main password has been reused on the email portal. Okay, that's nice. So factory. Then the password we got, the same password, this unranked wisdom anthem. Don't want to save it. So we are checking if it was reused. Factory. Let me do that. So it works. So you come open the emails. This is exactly what you needed. If you look keenly here, it's 1,984,000 units. To confirm that, still the same value here. So the client has asked to manufacture and ship 1,984,000 toys to a mix of retail partners and charitable distribution centers. So the next answer should be this. Just copy that, paste it here. That's good. If you enjoyed the room, check out that other room. And that marks the end of the day 2. The next one.